Hello everyone and welcome back to Techies Guru. Today I'm going to show you guys how to sign in iCloud. So first of all, what you have to do is open a web browser of your choice, and here in Google what you have to search for is iCloud sign in. Simply search for iCloud sign in and you will see a website that is from iCloud.com. At the first link, simply open the first link and it will show you something like this. Now all you have to do is tap on the sign in button that is on black color. Simply tap on the sign in button and it will show you something like this: sign in with Apple ID. Now all you have to do is simply tap on this blank and either type your email address or your phone number. After typing your email address or your phone number, simply tap this arrow button and after that they will ask you your password. After typing your password, then you will be signed into your Apple ID or your iCloud. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts and until then, goodbye.